Hi, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars in Scarborough, Maine. Want to show you guys this beautiful pebble gray. It looks like beach sand color, but it is kind of nice, so maybe you can view that on the video. This 21 M2 CA4X, it's a Mercedes-Benz 2500 cargo, 144 wheelbase, X for the four-wheel drive, comes with a 6-cylinder diesel, high roof. You saw that nice, beautiful chrome emblem. It's got the blacked out front and rear bumpers. I can see the Parktronic sensors. It's built with the special painted wheels, black finish. It looks pretty cool. It has winter tires on it right now, Continentals, which you can run 24/7. I'll get these doors open for you. They wrap around 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. You can see the step bolted to the Mercedes-Benz Hitch. Look at how big and thick the mill is on that. They use minerals for their steel. The 7-prong connector. A lot of height, a lot of room. Sidewall paneling prevents outie dents. The wood floor, anti-slip with the 6D rings. It's going to be great for wet feet. You won't slip and fall on your butt. Slide a door. A view from the inside. Nice handle right here to get in. And I didn't view that handle back there. I should have grabbed it on my way out. I'm going to do it. See this? Boom. It'll help you jump right out of there. A view on the inside, the nice touch right here with the extra pad on the armrest, heated seats, lumbar support, captain's chairs, MBUX touchscreen. Very nice puppy here. Give me a call. I'll go everything else with you. Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, 978-764-1232. Your Sprinter guy. Thanks.